filled with lotions, potions, and endless skincare routines. But sometimes, the most powerful remedies don't come in a bottle. They come from nature. And aloe vera, this spiky green little plant, is one of those quiet miracles. Aloe vera isn't just a pretty plant you keep by the window. Inside its thick leaves is a clear gel that's been used for thousands of years. Why? Because it's packed with natural goodness, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants. From ancient Egypt to your kitchen counter today, aloe vera has always been known for its healing. Got a sunburn, dry skin, breakouts? Aloe's got your back. It cools, hydrates, and soothes the skin like nothing else. It's gentle, natural, and perfect, even for sensitive skin. And your hair? Aloe can help there too, calming an itchy scalp, fighting dandruff, and bringing back shine to tired strands. Simple, real, and effective. But aloe isn't just for the outside. Drinking a small amount of pure aloe vera juice can support digestion, keep things regular, and give your body a gentle cleanse. It's hydrating, refreshing, and full of nutrients. Just be sure to choose high-quality, food-safe aloe, and don't overdo it. The best part? You can grow aloe vera right at home. It doesn't ask for much, just some sun and a little water. Whenever you need it, cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and let nature do the rest. It's like having a first aid kit in a pot. So next time you pass by an aloe plant, don't overlook it. It's more than just a plant. It's a healer, a helper, a gift from nature. Thanks for watching The Healing Leaf, where simple plants bring powerful results.